Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I've got a really great video for you. This can work for any Shopify store that's out there, especially if you're doing print on demand. I'm going to show you how you could immediately increase your branding and increase the trust level of your store in just about 2 minutes. Super easy, and what I'm going to show you is how to add some branding through different banners, right? Typically, you're going to have banners, and you see a sample site over here. This is just a little test store I have called Chunky Pets. Of course, it's all about animals. It's all about animals, animal lovers, dog shirts, cat shirts, etc. And when I typically do a very basic store setup, we're going to go and look for a stock image to place in these banner sections. You got a top banner and you have a bottom banner. Sometimes you have even more banners, but just at the very least, you're going to have 2 banners over here. And stock images are great. They're a very easy way to get started. You could do it obviously for free and you could do it quickly. But I'm going to show you how to take this to the next level. It's still going to be super easy. You're not going to have to work with any designer at all. In fact, you're going to have everything that you already want to have ready to go. And what I'm talking about is using very smart model mockups in these spaces. So of course we know using model mockups for ads and for product pages, those are super powerful, right? Where we actually show a model wearing the t-shirt. Right, but you could take a very basic store like this, a simple setup like this, take it to the next level and really have branding be the front and center focus just by having these smart mockups. And I use Placeit to do that. You could take a look at the link below this video. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. This is a site over here. It's place.justincena.com. And what you really want to focus on is your demographic. And of course you see here, this is a pet store, an animal lover store. So what I'm going to do is find demographic mockups of literally people who love pets. And they have so many over here of actually having dogs, they have cats included, right? And you can take a look at all these different images. Some of them are not going to fit, right? We have almost all of our layouts, regardless of what theme you're using. This is the debut theme. They're all going to have a horizontal layout for your banners. So, these vertical ones are better for ads and for product description mockups. What we want to have for our homepage is something horizontal. So we could take a look at really any of these images. There are a lot of great choices here. And you get the idea. Obviously, having a dog, especially a dog looking at the customer, that's powerful for sure. But this really takes it to the next level, and I'm going to show you, right? We have a couple of these products in our store, right? A woof shirt, love is a 4-legged word, I don't care, dogs are better, right? These are all dog-related shirts, right? We're going to actually put them right on the models, just like we do for our model mock-up ads, but we're going to use this for intense branding of our site. So let's go ahead and scroll through. I'm going to pick this one. It's just a nice basic one. They also have holiday-related ones, so you could always rotate these out depending on the time of year. Super simple to do it, and actually, let me pick another one because this is a video. We definitely want to just pick a photo. So again, I'm looking for some good horizontal ones, right? Here's ones for cats. Go ahead and use this one. And we're going to go ahead and you see literally it says upload your image. There's only a couple things you need to do. You come over here and you click upload image. And what you're going to do is select the file of your graphic design for whatever design you're going to be showing. And I'm going to do a cat design here. So I'll just go ahead and upload that, crop it. You're going to see it literally fills up this spot right over here on the shirt. And we could even change the shirt color to be black if we think that's going to be a little bit better. And, it's really super simple like that. If we didn't like this mockup, we could literally just go back and select any other pet-related mockup. There's so many different ones, and there's things for almost any niche, right? You could find specific job titles. You could find different hobbies, all these different great things. They all work the same way. And we're going to be using these imagery, or this imagery here, as our specific homepage banner. So I'll just do this again just to show you another example. And it's going to load it up there. I'll change the shirt color again to black. And you see the design over there. You see some great cats. And literally, we just need to download this image. And we're going to use it over here. As you see, it's full HD. We're going to use it over here. So once the download is ready, I'm just going to pause this. Once it's ready, I'll come back and show you what to do with it. All right, as you can see, the mockup is now done. We have this big, full-width HD image. And what we're going to do is now go into our theme panel in our store. Similar to how you were, in the past uploading these stock images. We literally come over here. We're in our theme panel. Go to the main slideshow section up here, and we're going to change the image. And you see, I had already uploaded it just to test. We're going to select that image now. You see that it might not fit into the exact layout, but they have options over here for section height. Right? We might want to try large. I want to try extra large. Right? I'm going to probably land on large here because I want to have girl's face in here. And obviously, we have our animals in here as well. And again, this isn't just a random homepage image about animals. This is a model-specific demographic, and really, it's even more than that. I always talk about telling a story about how the customer is going to feel when they buy your product. Right? It's not about the design; it's about this. Right? How is the customer? How is she going to feel, or how does she want to feel when she buys this shirt, we're literally showing her, right? We're going to tell her in the product description, but this is super powerful. We're showing her right here how, or him or her, how, when they buy this shirt, this is how they're going to feel, right? Having a great time hanging out with their cats, just sitting on a nice sunny day inside, relaxing, wearing our awesome shirt, right? And it's so powerful to actually show this, even if it's subconscious. It makes the customer connect with our product, and it makes our customer want to get to this scenario right here where they have that feeling. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that. Come over here, reload this page. You're going to see that we have our new background image shown over here. And again, we can play with the sizing until it looks good. It's a full width image, so it's never going to be blurry or anything like that. And we could do the same thing down here for another section. We could just simply come right back to place it. We can go and pick another mock-up here. And again, you see the link below this video, or you could just check it out, place.justinsenior.com. Again, we want a horizontal layout to fit our theme. Go through here. Like, imagine if it's Christmas time, right? This is a perfect thing to get over here for Christmas. Go ahead and do something like that. If we wanted to go all cats, we can come over here. Maybe we wanted to show dogs. Maybe we wanted to show some other people in it as well, right? You got some diverse looking models in here. So I'll upload a couple of designs here, and you'll see just how easy this is. You already have the design files because that's what you use for your t-shirts. We're literally just going ahead and putting them in here. And I'm going to put in another shirt here. And these are real shirts that are in our catalog. Maybe I'll change the colors on these and just go with black. And there you go. Come over, download, and we'll do the same thing. I'll download this. Take a second to process. Once it's ready, I'll unpause the video and we'll complete the customization. Okay, so I'm back in the theme panel. The file just downloaded. I'm going to go to slideshow here, and I'm just simply going to upload this image to replace the other image. You're going to see the dog with the two models wearing our shirt. As soon as it gets uploaded, it's going to replace this little section here. And just like the top section where we added some really strong branding, we have this here as well. We'll save that out. And as this saves, I'll come back over here, reload this page. And of course, we're going to see the updated imagery there. And I'm going to show you top to bottom. Site definitely feels a lot different than it did before. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with starting with stock imagery. But this is just a much more powerful way to make that connection, whether it's consciously or subconsciously, with your customer, to let them know they're about to have a great time if they order your shirts. And these aren't just some random shirts. You could literally buy them right here. Right? So super powerful. You got to use Placeit for that. Again, the link is directly below this video, or you can check it out, place.justinsenior.com. Highly recommend it. By far the best choice for mockups, and I've been using them for a while with a lot of success. So I know you're going to find success there too. Definitely upgrade your site with this really neat branding trick through Placeit. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.